This is a question of average asked in UPSC Civil Services Exam CSAT paper 2017. So there are 13 two-digit consecutive odd number. If 39 is the mean of the first 5 such number, then what is the mean of all the 13 number? So this is very good question, right? So first of all, don't get confused. They have given here mean. So mean and average are same, right? So you can assume average, right? So what they have given? They have given these are 5 number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So they have given the mean of these 5 number is what? 39. Right. And we know that these are 2-digit number. Right. So there are 2-digit number. And these are consecutive. This is very important point here. These are consecutive odd number. So we know these number will be odd number. And these are consecutive. Consecutive means if I am giving you 11, so the next odd number will be 13 and the next will be 15 because these are consecutive number, right? So these are consecutive odd number, right? So we know that their average or their mean is 39. So if you remember, what is the mean? What the average or the mean represent? It represent the central number or the midpoint of the data, right? So here 39 is the mean, means 39 will be here, right? Because this is the center point. Because from here we can go 2 step this side and 2 step this side. So 39 is the mean, so 39 will be here, right? So if we know 39 is this side, so what will we know? This will be the next number. So next odd number will be what? 41, and the next will be 43. Similarly, if 39 is this side, this will be 37 because they have given that these are consecutive odd number, and this will be 35. So here we have to use our common sense. You can solve this question by assuming 5 consecutive odd number as 2n plus 1, right? But there is no need to do this. Okay, so the UPSC is not expecting this from us, right? So he is expecting this. This is smartness he is expecting, right? So now we got the number that the series is starting from 35, 37, 39. Now they have given there are 13 such number. Okay, how many? From starting 35. So total number are 13, right? So what will be the midpoint of 13 number? So the midpoint of 13 number will be 13 plus 1 by 2 means 14 by 2 means 7. So 7th point is the midpoint of these 13 number, right? So we know this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth will be 45 and the 7th will be 47, right? So this is the answer. So its answer is option A. So here no need to write all these number and add all these number and then divide it by 13. No need to do all these things, right? You can directly use this thing here. So it will save your time in the exam also, right? And you can do this question in just few seconds, right? So this was just the UPSC was checking, the examiner through this question was checking how you see average. Average is the midpoint, the mean is the midpoint of the series, right? Because the series is here the consecutive. Okay, so I hope you all understood this question. If you still have some problem, you can comment or call us or WhatsApp us, right? And I will explain you this question